Hello, active learners. In today's video, we are going to start a new chapter MCQs, that is Circle from your class 10 CBSE 2024-25 syllabus. And this chapter plays a very important role for your board examinations. There are a few questions which can hamper your simple concept and that can deduct your many marks, so you have to prepare this chapter in a well manner. So this MCQ series is going to be very helpful for your board preparations. So I hope that you are watching it very carefully, and let me know in the comment sections that you are from which class or you are from which session, because this might be with this video might be watched in the second session in the upcoming session, so that must be clear. So let's begin without wasting any time. The first question says that the number of tangents that can be drawn from an external point to a circle. Okay, so there are how many tangents which can be drawn from an external point to a circle? Let's see that this is a circle, so external points from there, how many tangents can be drawn? What is tangent actually? Tangent is a line which intersect the circle at which meet the circle at a single point. So if I consider that this is a tangent, so it is just meeting at one, and this is tangent, so there are only two tangents which can intersect, and I cannot draw the third one as this, because this would be a secant, not a tangent, because secant are those which touches the circle at 2 points. None other than these two tangents you can draw. So the answer is what we can draw: maximum to maximum two tangents. Okay, so the answer to this question will be option number B. Let's proceed to question number 2. What does it say? That in the given figure, RQ is a tangent to the circle with center O. So here you can see that RQ is a tangent with center O. Getting my point? Now, what does it say? That SQ, these are the data which is given. Now SQ is given is 6 centimeter and QR is 4 centimeter. Let's zoom out this. So here you can see that this is 6 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Getting my point? Now you have to find this OR. This is very simple. Here you can see that this QR, what this is a tangent, because it is touching a circle, it is touching circle at a single point. So if this is 6 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter, then this is with center O. So if this is 6 centimeter, whole is 6 centimeter, SQ is 6 centimeter. So what will be here? OQ, because O is the center, so OQ is the radius. So if from here to here it is 6 centimeter, so here it will be 3 centimeter. Getting my point? And here it was already 4 centimeter. And now you can or you can remember one statement, that when a tangent touches the circle, then it forms a right angle. Okay, so it forms a right angle, so it will be 90 degrees. So this triangle is an example of right angle triangle. So here we will use Pythagoras theorem to find OR, and by Pythagoras theorem you can say that OR is 5 centimeter. And these are the some of the key points which you can remember, that there are few Pythagoras triplet. Okay, so that must be remembered to you, like 3 4 5 12 13 7. Okay, 24 25 and yes, 24 25 7. These are some of the key 12 13 and 5, sorry, 12 13 and 5. So these are the some key Pythagoras triplet which must be remembered. So but if you are trying to say, then you can see that OR is equal to OQ plus QR, and now OQ square plus QR square. So here from here you can get this as 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeter we're having in option number C. So option number C would be the right answer. Now what is the next question? Question number 8 says that in a circle of radius 7 centimeter, this is important data, tangent PT, here we can say that tangent PT of length of 24 centimeter is drawn from a point P. Okay, then O is the center of a circle. O is the center. Getting, now we have to find OP. It's very simple. They say here you can see that we are getting exactly a right angle triangle, so this is very easy. Now you can find it out that with Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equal to OT square plus PT square. Getting? Now if we proceed further, so we have to take if we remove this square sign, so we will take under root and this side. Now OT value is 7, so 7 square plus PT value is 24, so 24 square. So here we will get 7 square and 24 square, so you will get it as 49 plus 576, and value will be 6 uh 25, 625. Getting? 9 6 15 7 4 20 or 7 4 11 12, yes, 625, which is a square of 25. So earlier I have also mentioned that this will be 25. If you have remembered this, then you can easily find it out. Okay, you can easily figure it out and you can easily tell the answer. So option number C is the right answer. Let's proceed further. This is the next question, which says that which of the following pairs of lines in a circle cannot be parallel. Okay, so parallel lines, it means those who doesn't intersect, those line which doesn't intersect when they are produced infinitely. Now, so it is talking about that which cannot be parallel. Keep it in mind that it cannot be parallel. So two chord, if we draw a circle, if we draw a circle and if we take chord are those which touches the circle at any 2 points. This is the first chord and this is the second chord. Then can it be parallel? Yes, it can be parallel. Now if we draw if we talk about option number B, so here a chord and a tangent. So here if we draw a tangent, here if we draw a chord, yes, they are obviously they can be parallel. Now you have to assume, because this question can't be solved without assumption. Now two tangents, yes, it can also be okay. You can say that here if this is a tangent, this is a tangent, then they are obviously parallel. Okay, so this also can be possible. But two diameter, what does it say? Two diameter, we can say that which touches the which a chord which is the largest chord and which crosses with center. So O is the center, so this is a diameter. Now can we draw any other diameter? So yes, we can draw. So let's draw it. But is these two diameter parallel? No, they are not parallel, they are intersecting. So this is our answer, option number D. Let's proceed for. Now, what does this say? That a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtend a right angle at the center. Let's draw a circle. And what does it say? That a chord of radius 10 centimeter subtend a right angle at the center. So let's take that this is a chord. Okay, let's name it AB. Now, uh, it subtend a right angle. It subtend a right angle at the center. Okay, so this chord subtend, it means it makes a right angle. Okay, right angle, it means this type. If we take O, so it makes a angle AOB is a right angle. It is mentioned in your course. Now the length of the chord in diameter. Okay, so length of the chord in centimeter, sorry, so it would be 10 and 10, because here it is mentioned that 10 centimeter is radius. So OA and OB both are the radius. Getting my point? Now if we talk about AB, so here we can easily see that this is a right angle triangle. So AB will be what? 10k square plus 10k square and in under root. Okay, so 10k square is 100 plus 100, and in under root if we say, then it will be under root 200. And if we take it out 100 as out, okay, 100 as from square root, then it will be 10. Okay, and 10 root 2. Getting? Because we can write 200 as 100 into 2, and if we take out 10 as, then we will get root 2 as inside there. So 10 root 2 is the right answer, is the length of chord in centimeter. Let's proceed further. So this is the next question, which says that in the given figure PT is a tangent to a circle. Okay, so here we are getting that PT is a tangent. You have to observe the figure by reading the question. Okay, if you try to see that question, let you have to keep it observing. Now, so with center O and OT is, always keep in mind that is center given or not, because in some questions are there where no center is given, so you can't assume it as center. O is given, so it is not necessary that it is a tens, it is center. So you always keep it in mind that questions are solved from other method. Now OT is 6 centimeter, OT is 6 centimeter, OP is 10 centimeter, and then the length of PT. It's quite clear. Then that here it is also mentioned that PT, okay, when any tangent touches the circle, then it forms a right angle from the radius. Okay, so it will form a right triangle. So here we are getting what? Here we are getting a right angle triangle. So we will use Pythagoras theorem to find OP, and this is what? Hypotenuse, because the side which is parallel, because the side which is parallel to 90 degree, okay, is called as hypotenuse, and these two sides are either base or parallel, or based or perpendicular. Getting? So OP is 10 centimeter. It means 10, PT will be 10 ka square minus 6 ka square. Okay, 10 ka square minus 6 ka square, 10 square is 100 minus 36. So you will get the answer as under root. Okay, so you will get answer as what will be the answer? 10 6 4 9 6 64. So it will be 8. Okay, so 8 centimeter would be the answer. And you are aware of this type of questions because these type of questions are being asked in your class 9th book. So if you have solved R.D. Aggarwal or R.D. Pearson like books, so you are aware of this type of question. This type of questions is like halwa for you. Okay, very simple. Okay, let's proceed further. This is our next question, which says that in the given figure, point P is 26 centimeter away from the center O. So P is 26 centimeter away from center O. So this OP is given. What is it say? And the length of PT. So it means this says that P is 26 centimeter. P is 26 centimeter away from the center O. Okay, so this length is OP is indirectly OP is 26 centimeter. Getting? Now, and the length of PT from of the tangent drawn from P, length of PT from the length of PT of the tangent P, length of PT, this length of PT of the drawn from P to the circle is 24 centimeter. So its length from the circle, this length from the circle is 24 centimeter. It means we can say that OT length and the length PT of the tangent drawn from P to the circle is 24. So this PT is 24 centimeter. Getting? Now then the radius of the circle will be, what will be the radius of the circle, or we can see that OT. Okay, so let's consider that what is given 26 and 24. Okay, so this is given 26, this is given 24, and you have to mention the unit. Okay, so and this is right angle triangle. Why? Because this is a tangent which touches the circle at one point, so it will form a right angle. So we have to find actually OT, which means the radius. Getting? Everything is clear? Question must be clear to you. Now what will be the answer? Let me tell you the answer. I hope the 26 square is 676 and 24 square is 576. It will form, so 10 will be remaining, so it will form, it will, so 10, it means 10. Okay, so 100, so it means 10 square. So option number A is right answer of 7. Getting? Now let's proceed further. Now this question is important. Why? Here I have marked already. So it doesn't mean that the questions which I have marked is important for you too, because this at first time I got some problem in solving that, so I marked it. So you don't keep it in mind that it will be tough for you. Okay, just listen to me. Everything will be clear to you like makhan. Okay, so let's see. uh PQ is a tangent to a circle with center O. So let's draw a circle with center O. Okay. Now what does it say? That PQ is a tangent with to a with circle at a point P. So from any point P, PQ is a tangent. Let's understand the question clearly. PQ is a tangent. Tangent name is PQ. So firstly we have to understand that for the tangent which is outside. Okay, which point is outside? Okay, this is the point with center O at the point P, now triangle OPQ, OPQ, this is the point. Okay, So here you can also that with the center O at point P, it means this point will be P and this point will be Q. Okay, so PQ is a tangent and this type is the tangent. Getting? Now is an isosceles triangle. OPQ is an isosceles triangle. Then OQP is equal to OQP. What will be this angle? Okay, let me change the color and what will be the measure of this angle? So if this is 90, and what will be the answer? If this is isosceles triangle, so here it is clearly saying that OP is equal to PQ. Okay, because why can't we take OQ? Because OQ is the largest, OQ is hypotenuse, which is considered to be largest side of a right angle triangle. So we can't take it at, because a largest side cannot be equal to any of other two sides. So what we will say that OP is equal to PQ. Now this PQO, PQO, what does it say? So this angle will be equal, because these two sides are OP is equal to PQ. Then the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. This is the theorem which you have already read. So OPOQ, POQ and PQO, these two angles also will be equal. So let's consider the angle as this angle as theta, this angle as theta. So what will be the 2 theta twice theta, theta plus 90, this angle plus 90 will be 180, angle sum property. Now so we can see that theta we will get from here 90 90 45. Okay, we will get 45. Getting? So answer will be option number B. 8 ka B. Let's proceed further. So this is our question number 9. In the given figure, AB and AC are tangents. AB and AC are tangents. Okay. Now with the center O. Okay. So that BAC, BAC, it is given that it is 40. Then you have to find BOC. Okay. Let's come to the figure. So here you can see that BOC. So we have to find this angle. Okay. It means angle subtended by this arc BC. Can we say angle subtended by arc BC? This is the okay. If you are not getting it, then leave it. Okay, don't have to take pressure on mind. Let's just see here. Firstly, this is a tangent AC. So and this is center. So from center, if we say, then it will be 90 degree. Getting? Here also it will be 90 degree. Getting? So 90, 90. Now here you can see that this B A, let me do it with other color so you can get it clearly. So this, this, are you getting that it is a quadrilateral? So what you have learned in quadrilateral, the sum of all the angles are, the sum of all the angles is 360 degree. So let's use the angle sum property of quadrilateral, so you will get this angle, aren't you? Okay, so BOC you will get clearly. So here we are getting it 90, 90, 180 plus 40, 220. Let me write you 90 plus 90 plus 40 plus, let's take that angle BOC as theta. So it will be theta is equal to 360. Now further you can see here that 90, 90, 180 and 180 plus 40 is 220. So theta will be 360 minus 220. Getting? So finally theta will be 0, 0, 4, 2, 2 1, 140 degree. Getting? So option number D, here we are getting 140 degree. So this will be the right answer of question number 9. Let's proceed further. This question says that if a chord AB subtend a right angle of subtend an angle of 60 degree at the center of a circle, then the angle between the tangents to the circle drawn from it. Not getting it? Leave it. Let's break the question. Let's break the question and see. Yeah. What does this say? That if a chord AB, let's draw any chord as AB. Here, let me change the paint color. So here we are getting a chord AB. Subtend a right angle at the center. Let's take any center and it's subtend it's subtend an angle of 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. Okay, this is 60 degree. Getting? Then the angle between the tangents between the tangents to the circle drawn from point A and B. Okay, there is some point A and other point B. So you have to tell that the angle between those 2 points, okay, between the tangents, what will be the angle? Okay, this is the point. So where is 2 point A and B? Here we are getting that this is A and this is B. Now we have to draw this figure in some other way because we are getting screen sizes left. Let me erase it. So here you can see I have drawn it again because this I have drawn in this way because here I have to extend this A and B to draw a tangent. So let's draw a tangent from A and let's draw another tangent from B. So here we have drawn two tangents. Now let's name this point as M. So MB and MA are two tangents. Getting? Now here it is saying that the angle between the tangents, so angle between the tangents, these are this is one tangent, this is another tangent. Can you say that it will further, if we extend it in this way, then it will form angle? No, it will never form, because angle is formed when two rays intersect each other. So when this will intersect, then they will form angle. So here we are getting angle theta. Let's assume at theta. This is similar to question number, earlier. Okay, question number 9. So here we have to find this theta. Getting? Now here you can say that this is our radius, and radius subtend 90 degree to the tangent, and here also it will subtend 90 degree to the tangent. So here 90 90 180 plus 60 240, and here we are getting to 60 and plus 80 140. 60 plus 60 plus 60, yes, 60 plus 60 120. Okay, so 120 will be the right answer using the same property which we have solved earlier. You can solve it. Now this is question number 11. In the given figure, O is the center. Okay, of two concentric circles of radius 6 centimeter and 10 centimeter. AB is the chord of outer circle which touches the inner circle, and then the length of AB. Leave it question. Let's understand here. So here is said that this is a circle. This is one circle, and this is one another circle, and these are the concentric circle. What do you mean by concentric? When two circle originates from, when two circles are drawn from a same center, that is here we are getting O. Yeah, in our case we are getting O. So when two circles are drawn from same center with different radius, then those circles are called as concentric circles. So here it is given that the radii of a smaller circle is 6 and larger circle is 11 10. Okay, so we are getting a smaller circle. Here we are getting a smaller circle and a larger circle. Okay, now the radii of a smaller circle is 6 and larger circle is 10. Okay, so this is the radii of giving you a question that this is the largest circle, so it will be 10. Now this is PQ is given, that is it will be 6. Okay, so here then we have to find the length of AB. Okay, AB we have to find. Now from here you have to remember class 9th concept, in which it was explained that when when a line when radius touches any chord, then it divides the chord into two equal parts. It perpendicularly divides. Okay, so it's bisect the chord by forming a right angle. Getting? So it will divide by forming a right angle. So this OPA and OPB will be 90 degree. Getting? So here we are getting a right angle triangle 10 6. So this will be, obviously it will be 4 8. Okay, getting? We have already solved this type of question. So AP will be 8 using Pythagoras theorem. Then what will be PB will be 6. PB will be also 8 because we are bisecting it, because OP is bisecting AB. Bisecting means cutting into, dividing into two equal parts. So finally 8 plus 8 is equal to AB, it will be 16. So is there any options like 16? Option number C is the right answer. Now in question number 12, in the given figure, AB and AC are tangents. Okay, here this, look at it. AB and AC are tangents drawn with center O and radius 8 centimeter. This OB is 8 centimeter and AB and AC are tangents. Getting? Now We have to OE is also given that this is 17 centimeter, and we have to find the length of AC. Okay, so let's radius is 8 centimeter, and this is 17 centimeter. I have to find AC. This is 17 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, and now it will form a right angle triangle. Getting? Now let's firstly find AB, because if we will find AB, then AC is automatically found. Okay, how? Because when any tangent is drawn from, when two tangents are drawn from a same point externally, from a same point at external, so the length of those two triangles are equal. This is a theorem. So AB will be equal to, here AB will be equal to AC. If we will find AB, then it will be equal to AB, and both are same. So if we are directly getting a right angle triangle, let's use Pythagoras theorem and find out the answer. So here it is 17, here it is 8. So 17 square plus 8 square. Now 17 square is 289, and 8 square is 64. Let's subtract it. 9 5 and 8 6 2 2 225. Okay, which is the square of 15. So here it will be 15. Okay, here it will be 15 square root. If we will replace, then here it will be 15. You can calculate it in proper way. I have to do roughly. So it will be 15. So if this is 15 centimeter, then this AC is also 16 centimeter, 15 centimeter. So option number B is the right answer of question number 12. Now here we are having question number 13. In the given figure, O is the center, okay, of a circle with AOC diameter. AOC is diameter. Now such that ACB is 50 degree, and AT is a tangent. AT is a tangent. Okay, here we can say that AT is a tangent. Okay, to the circle at point A. At point A, it is a tangent at point A to the circle. Then the BAT, you have to find bat. Okay, this is not like bat. Okay, bat from which you play cricket. This is not that bad. Oh, so we have to find this angle. It's too easy. Firstly, here we can see that this OA is a radius, and when radius meets in a tangent, then it forms a right angle. So this is 90. Now we have to find BAT. It means it must be known. So it means that this BAC must be known. This angle must be known. So that we can subtract from 90 to this angle. So we will get this angle. Getting? So let's find out this angle. How can we find out it? How can we find it out? So firstly, you can easily use two method, like you can draw it like this, and you can see that this is a, if this is 15, and this will also be 15, and if this is 50, so this will form 90 degree. Now if this is 90, then this will be equal, so it will form 45 degree. Okay, so 45, 90 minus 45. So that is not the right way. Let me tell you the right way. Here we are having a circle. Now here you can see that this is an arc AC. Okay, we are getting an arc AC. So AC subtending here, AC subtending an angle on the circle, AC subtending an angle on the circle is on the circle. Okay, or you can also set the here we are getting a diameter. AC is subtending an angle here. So when the angle is subtended, or we can simply say when angle is subtended in a semicircle, then that angle is 90 degree. Angle subtended by a semicircle is 90 degree. Or we can say angle subtended by diameter. This diameter is subtending angle. So this angle ABC will be 90 degree. Now if this is 90 degree, this is 50 degree. So this will be 995 40. So this will be 40 degree. And now here we are having that this is 40 degree. Now we were having that this whole are 90 degree. So 90 minus 40, we will get 50 degree. Option number B is the right answer of question number 13. Let's proceed further. Now this is question number 14. In the given figure, O is the center of a circle, PQ is the PQ is a chord. Okay, PQ is a chord getting. Now PT is a tangent. PT is a tangent. Okay, no problem. Now POQ is 70 degree. Getting POQ. POQ. This is 70 degree. It means angle subtended by chord PQ is 70 degree. Okay. Now let's proceed further. TPQ. TPQ. We have to find out TPQ. No problem. This we can say that this is 90 because the region is quite clear. Then this will be 90 tangent and radius, so this will be 90 and we have to just find out this. Okay, OPQ. Now here you can say that this is 70 degree. So now this triangle is isosceles triangle. You will ask how? OP is equal to OQ, isn't it? Because OP and OQ these two sides are what? Radius of the circle. So radius is always equal. So this will be equal to this. So the angle, opposite angle will also equal to this. So OQP is equal to OPQ. OPQ. So now if this is theta, this will also be theta, and this angle is 70 degree. Now so 70 plus 2 theta, you can also take in alpha, beta, gamma, x, y, z. It is not mandatory, you have to take theta. So this will be 180 angle sum property. So here you can see that theta is equal to 70, 110, 55 degree. Getting? So we can get theta is 55. Now these are total 90. So 90 minus 55, we will get 35 degree, which is the measure of TPQ. TPQ is 35 degree. Option number A, 14A is the right answer. Let's proceed further. This is our question number 15. We say that in the given figure 80 is a tangent. 80 is a tangent. Okay. Now we send O says that OT. OT. This OT is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now an OT is 30 degree. So we have to find 80. 80 we have to find. This OT is 4 centimeter and we have to find this 80. Now here you have to remember the concept of, because we have a getting a right angle triangle, so we can use trigonometry to find out it, because we are having a side and an angle. When you are getting a side and angle and the triangle is right angle triangle, so there you can use trigonometry to find out the measure of other any side. Okay, the measure of other side. So you can find the length of OA2, 82 using trigonometry. Now we will use here trigonometry. Here with respect to this angle, here we are getting that this is hypotenuse, because 90 the angle opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So for OT is H. Now then 80 will be what? 80 will be, because this angle is situated on this angle is placed on this, so it will be base. So we have to take we have to think of a trigonometry ratio in which B and H is included. So we can take that we are having cos theta. So cos theta, we know that it is B upon H. So cos theta is B upon H. Now here we are having theta is 30. So cos 30 will be equal to B is, we are having this is 80. 80 is B. So let's put it at 80, and OT we are having 4 because OT is given. Now let me erase this because this will disturb our calculation. Now cos 30, we are knowing that it will be root 3 by 2. Now 80 upon 4, cancel out 2 times, so 80 will be equal to 2 root 3. 2 root 3. Option number C. Getting? So for this video we are going to keep till here only. For in the next video I am going to discuss from question number 16 and onward. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's meet further.